All set up and ready to go for F S Yamaha's 32nd annual snowmobile open house. Got a good supply of new and used trailers. Good lineup of used sleds. 2019 SRX, Vipers, Vectors, Apexes, Joe Burry's hamburgers all weekend. In the showroom, we have hundreds of helmets. From Castle, FXR, 509, all the latest greatest. Tons of 509 goggles, FXR goggles. Lots of ladies apparel from FXR and Climb. A lot of people have been asking, and yes, they are here. The new CKX Mission helmets are here to try on every size to check them out. Closeout room of what's left from last year. Door prizes. We turned the shop into the showroom for the weekend. Lots of Climb. Chaos, Kiwana, Climates. Lots of Climb goggles. Boots. Lots of boots. And Climb, FXR, 509. $509 gloves. Tons of FXR gloves. Including the new FXR Recon heated gloves. More boots. Gear bags, mono suits, big discounts. Lots of FXR jackets and bibs. Everything is at the deepest discounts of the season. Hope to see you this weekend.